Namaste. Welcome to yet another video with Shishya School of Yoga. We say it's never too late to reap the benefit of yoga. Whatever age group you have, yoga can have solutions for you. Yoga practice is a wonderful option to consider if you are a senior citizen who wants to stay active and mobile without any muscle strain. This practice can be done sitting anywhere, on a chair, on a mat, on a couch, wherever you feel comfortable. So let's begin the practice. As we age, we see that our joints and muscles become stiff. So we will look into some of the practices that will help make our joint more mobile and flexible. Let's start with the neck movement. We breathe in, look up. And as we breathe out, we take the chin to the chest. From the right side, gentle circles with your neck. Do it slow and gentle. Now let's reverse. Do it in the opposite order. And back to the center. Let's do some shoulder shrugs. Take the shoulders up. See, as if your shoulder is going to touch your ears. And as you breathe out from the mouth, relax. Breathe in. Relax. Now let's do something for the wrist. Let's bring the wrist in front, hands in front. Make a fist and rotate the fist. Keep breathing normally. Opposite circle. And back to the center. Now open your palms. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Make a tight fist. And release. One more time. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Make a fist. Release. One last time. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Make a fist. And release. Relax. Now let's rotate the shoulder joint. Palms touching the shoulders. Elbows joined together. Breathe in. Take your arms up. Breathe out. Bring it down. Breathe in. And out. In. And out. In, out, in, out. Now let's reverse. In from the back, out from front. Breathe in. And relax. Now let's stretch the sides of the body. Take both your arms up to the level of the shoulders. As we exhale, bend to the left, stretch the right arm up. Center, bend to the right, stretch the left arm up. Remember to do as much as your body allows you to. Don't push yourself too much beyond the limits. Center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right. Back to the center and relax. Now we'll do long deep breaths as we take our arms up. Breathe in. Take a long deep breath. And as you breathe out, bring your arms closer in front. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Long deep breath. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your arms. Move your shoulders up and down once again. Let's release the tension from the shoulders. Relax. Hands on your hip. We'll do gentle circles with our hip. Keep the feet firmly grounded, shoulder width distance apart, and gentle circles. Opposite circles. And back to the center. Now let's do the swinging of the leg. We'll swing our right leg front and back. You can take support of the wall if you feel it is necessary for you. Gently swing your right leg front and back. Now right knee, let's mobilize the right knee. Relax. Let's swing the left leg front and back. Left knee. And relax. Now let's pump our calf muscles. Come onto your toes, lift the heels up. And come onto your heels, lift the toes up. Let's do this a few times. Toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, heels, toes and heels, toes and heels, toes and heels. Our calf muscles are also known as the second heart. It helps drain the lymphatic fluids. In turn, it releases the toxins from the system. So this is one good exercise to do that. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And relax. Shake your legs. Let's sit down. Now we'll do some butterflies. In butterflies, we'll get the soles of your feet together and get the heels closer. Start moving your knees up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Continue. Keep your back straight, chest out. And relax. Stretch the right leg in front, the sole of the left foot touching the right inner thigh. Breathe in, take your hands up, stretch it up. And as you breathe out, as much as you can, slowly bend forward and down. Wherever you can reach, be gentle with your body. Feel the deep stretch. Feel the deep stretch behind the knees. Hold here with a smile. Breathe in, slowly come up. Breathe out, relax. Now let's switch to the other leg. Breathe in, take both your hands up. And as you breathe out, gently bend forward and down towards your left leg. Once again, be gentle, keep smiling. It's okay if you're not able to grab your toes, you can grab your shin bone, knee. Breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, relax your hands. Stretch both the legs in front. Raise the right arm up and place the right palm behind the body. Left hand goes up. Place the left palm on the outside of the right knee and twist and look behind from the right shoulder. Keep breathing. Hold here with a smile. Breathe in back to the center. Raise the arm up. Bring it down. Now let's repeat on the other side. Breathe in, take the right hand up. Place the right palm on the outside of the left knee and twist and look behind from the left shoulder. Back to the center. Raise the arm up and relax your hands. Let's lie down on our back. Bend both your knees. Let the knees point up towards the ceiling. Roll the shoulders back. And with the support of your hands on the ground, slowly lift your hips up. Remember to be gentle with your practice. Keep a smile on your face. Breathing out, slowly come down and take the thighs towards the chest. Wrap your hands around the shin bone. Give a tight hug to your legs. Breathe in. Breathing out, slowly take the nose towards the knees. If you want, you can slowly, gently swing your body. Rest your head on the mat. Gently start swaying left and right. Left and right. Gives a nice relaxation to your back. Come back to the center. Now place the palms around 2 feet distance apart. On the edge of the mat, stretch the arms at the level of the shoulders. Now let the legs fall onto the left side. You look to the right. Back to the center and opposite. Head to the left, legs to the right. Center, and do this a few times, left and right. And slowly straighten your legs, palms beside thighs facing the ceiling. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out from your mouth. Relax your whole body as you breathe out. One more time, breathe in through the nose, out from your mouth. Relax. You may continue lying down for some time. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly turn towards the right side. With the support of the hand, you may slowly sit up. And gently, with a smile on your face, you may open your eyes. How do you feel? I'm sure you're feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Let us know in the comment section below how you feel. Do not forget to like and share this video. Do subscribe to Shri Shri School of Yoga YouTube channel for more such beautiful content. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Namaste.